Hi grades 4, so we are starting our first lesson for week 2 in grammar, and I would like you to go grab your green grammar duotangs, and we're going to remember to take out our card for this week. So it is week 14 and we are looking at adjectives. And what are adjectives? So if you flip this card, remember this little bag that's in the back of your duotangs, we are going to take out, I took out week 14 from that bag, and it is adjectives. At the back, you will see the definition or what are adjectives, and I'm sure you already know about adjectives since we do have them in our writing as well. Remember quality adjectives? So that's what we're talking about. So I'm going to read at the back what it says, and then we will go ahead and look at our first sentence for this week. So adjectives are descriptive words that describe or modify nouns and pronouns. Usually, they come before the noun they modify. For example, the useful pen. So they come before nouns, but they can come after a linking verb. It is useful. Okay, that was the example. To determine if a word is an adjective, apply this test. So to know if a word is an adjective, do you remember in the classroom we have a big chart on the wall that tells us where we test if it's an adjective? Remember the example fluffy pen? Remember that one? So that's what we're going to do. So at the back, they're saying you can always do a quick test of writing the sentence, the blank pen. For example, if it's a useful pen or the useful pen, useful would be an adjective because it is describing a pen, right? Pen is a noun. So adjectives, they describe a noun. For example, if I say a tall tree, what's an adjective in this example? Tall is an adjective because it is describing what kind of tree are we talking about. Brown desk. What kind of desk? It's brown. So brown is an adjective. Short tree, right? Or small tree. That would be small, or even short would be an adjective, right? Or if I say the amazing child, amazing would be an adjective. If I say pink nails, pink is an adjective because it's describing, I'm describing what kind of nails do I have. If I say green book, green is an adjective. So all these words that describe something, that describe a noun, that's an adjective. Blue clouds, gray clouds. So colors, age, anything that describes something or someone, that's an adjective. Does that make sense? So for this week, our first sentence for day 1 is, I'm going to read it for us. Then you're going to pause the video. You're going to make your corrections. So for this week, you have to focus on, remember to add your end marks. So is it a period? Is it a question mark? Or is it an exclamation mark? Remember in our last lesson, we talked about exclamation, where you're expressing emotions. Okay? Then we have quotation marks. So if a person is talking, remember to put quotations, apostrophes. So you need to remember if something belongs to someone, use an apostrophe. So you need to mark down your nouns, your articles, your pronouns, your WW, which is who, which, and your verbs. And today, also your adjectives. So 5 things you need to mark. Nouns, so nouns, articles, pronouns, WW, so who, which, verbs, and your adjectives. So remember to mark all these down. Now let's go ahead and look at our first sentence. Also remember to do your vocabulary at the back of your grammar spiral book. So here we go. The unfortunate soldier realized it was time, which two am I going to pick? Remember our homophones? Last lesson? Which two are we going to pick? Is it T-O? Is it T-W-O? Or is it T-O-O? So the unfortunate soldier realized it was time to vacate the crowded room. So for today, your vocabulary word is vacate. You're gonna find out what does it mean. Please write it at the back of your grammar book. And now pause the video, correct your sentence, add in your endings. Is it gonna be a period? Is it gonna be question? Is it gonna be exclamation? Mark down your noun, your pronouns, your articles, your who, which, your verbs, and your adjectives. So mark those down, then pause the video, and I'm gonna hold up our corrected sentence. So I'm gonna show you our corrections. So which word is what? So here we go, day one. So we have the first of all, we need to remember it's a new topic. So we are going to indent, right? Indent. Then our next word is article. So we are going to write AR above this word, the unfortunate soldier. So unfortunate is an adjective because it is describing what kind of soldier? Unfortunate soldier. Soldier is a noun. So remember, adjectives come right before nouns. Realized. Now realized is a verb. It's an action. Okay? So realized is a verb. It is a pronoun. Remember, if I say the dog went to play, the dog went to eat, the dog went or did this. If I keep on saying dog, 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 that's going to be boring. So pronoun, the dog went to eat. It likes to play with whoever, right? So it is a pronoun. Was is a verb. It's a helping verb. It's not an action, it's a helping or linking verb. So that's why was and is, they're both linking verbs. Time is a noun. And let's get to which two are we going to choose? We are going to choose the first one, T-O. So it was time to vacate the crowded room. That's an article. Crowded is an adjective. Room is a noun. Did you pay attention? Crowded is an adjective because it's describing what kind of room it is. So adjectives, they describe a noun, and generally speaking, they come right before a noun. So adjectives come right before a noun. So room is a noun. Crowded is an adjective. So did you see that? Then at the end, we have our period. So this is our sentence for this week. Or sorry, for day one of week 2. And I will see you next time for our day 2 video.